This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss some more built-in numeric functions of GW basic programming language. So let's start with the log function, and the purpose is to return a natural logarithm log in basic. So whenever I write basic in caps, it means that I'm talking about the beginner's all-purpose importing instruction code. GW basic language is a logarithm to the base e, which is a constant, and the value is 2.718282. So the base is always e, which the value of e is 2.718282, and the format is log with argument x, where x can be any value, with base e. And the example we will discuss today is like you can use it with the print command. Print log, and the argument is 10, so it will calculate the logarithm with base e for the value 10, and when we run this program, then we can get the output as 2.302585. So let's execute this statement in GW basic IDE. So let's see whether the output is the same or not. Here we are, viewers. We will type program, we'll type print log 10, and then we will run it. Then we will see the output. First we press the enter key, and then we don't need to press the F2 key because we are not working on a direct mode. We are just typing the statements. So we can give another way, like if we give 20 enclosed in parentheses and we just press the enter key, so you can see a different value. Likewise, if we type log 100, then the value will be entirely different, just pressing the enter key. I'm just pressing the enter key, so you can see the output like this. So let's switch to the text area. We will discuss this in detail. Log function. One more example we will discuss today, just to execute and understand the log function, is we will write one more program and just call it example 2. So on line 10 we will type n equal to 2. Line 20, input statement is used with the variable name m. Line number 30, print log m. Line number 40, print log m. First we will type log n and then m. N is given a value of 2, and m, for m, user will give the input, and then the logarithm will be calculated accordingly. Line number 50 and the end will be typed like this. Now I'm gonna execute this program in the GW basic IDE. So let's switch to the IDE of GW basic. Here we are. We will type line number 10 n equal to 2. Line 20, input m. Line 30, print log n, and then line number 40, print log m. You have noted that always we need to mention the variable, the argument enclosed in parentheses, whenever we need to perform and use a built-in function or a user-defined function. So we always need to give values enclosed in the parentheses. Line number 50 will press the E and the end command, and then I press the F2 key. Now it will ask us to give the value of m with a question mark. User need to give, so I'm a user, so I'm giving a value of 100 for m. So first the log will calculate the value of n2 and then value for m, which is 100. But keep it in your mind that it always calculate with the base E2.17828 we discussed just earlier. Then we press the enter key, so you can see two different values like this. So first value was calculated for n, so you can see which is on line 30 and line 40. M, I have just given the value 100 for m, and the value is just in front of you, 4.60517. We have just calculated the value of log m log 100 in the previous program. So let's switch to the text area. I will explain the whole execution of this program to you guys line by line. So I'm going to interpret this program on line 10. Numeric variable named n is assigned value 2. On line 20, input statement is used with variable named m, which will ask the user to give value which will be stored in variable m. On line 30, print statement is used with log function with an argument of n contained now value 2. It will display the logarithm of 2 with base e. Already told you guys e is in a constant, and the logarithm will be calculated for value 2 because n is assigned with value 2 on line 10. Here you can see. And on line 40, print statement is once again used with log function with an argument. So this is called argument. Whatever is enclosed with the function is called an argument. On line 30, n is an argument, and on line 40, m is an argument with an argument m, for which user will give input to the program. So after pressing F2 key means running the program, user has given value 100 for m and the same, and for the same logarithm with base e will be calculated and displayed on the screen. On line 50, as usual, end command is used to represent the ending, closing of the program, which is a non-executable statement. So viewers, I've just given the interpretation of the whole program of example 2 for logarithm function. So how log is calculated with base n for different values, like a user can give a value, or either we can assign a value, we can initialize a value, a variable with any value, and then the log for the same can be calculated accordingly. So viewers, that's all and thanks for watching. We discussed the log functions with two different examples and executed the same on the IDE, and see and notice that how a log function can give us output for values either initialized in the program or used with input statement, value given by user. Thanks for watching.